In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize and recolor the footer text in Squarespace. If you've been looking to give your website that extra touch of personal flair, making your footer stand out is a great way to start. Luckily, Squarespace offers an intuitive interface that makes these kinds of customizations easy for users. So let's dive in and polish up your website's footer to perfectly fit your brand. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your website editor. This is where the magic happens, as you'll have access to all the tools you need to tweak your site's appearance to your liking. If you're not sure how to get there, look for the Edit button next to your site's name in the Squarespace dashboard. Once you're in the website editor, the next step is to scroll down to your site footer. You'll see an option labeled Edit Site Footer. Give it a click. This will bring up your footer area, where you can start making the changes you've been envisioning. Clicking here opens up all the current text blocks in your footer. Now pick the specific text you want to alter. Simply give the desired text block a click to let Squarespace know that's what you want to work on. After selecting the text, another menu should open up. Here we need to click on Edit to enable text modification. With editing mode engaged, take your cursor and highlight the text that you want to change. This step is crucial because only highlighted text will be affected by any changes you apply. A lack of text selection means your modifications won't take effect, so make sure that the highlighting is done properly. Next, you'll find an option labeled Color. Clicking on this will allow you to explore different color choices for your text. This is your chance to pick a color that complements your brand or the aesthetic you're going for. Scroll through the color choices and select the one you think best fits the look and feel you're after. Once you've chosen your text color, it's time to resize the text for better visibility or style. Look for the Text Scale option. This feature lets you adjust the size of your text effortlessly. If you want your footer text to stand out more, increase the size. If subtlety is your goal, consider making it smaller. With your colors and size set to perfection, find the Save button in the editor. Pressing Save ensures that all your hard work is locked in and reflected on your live site. Always remember to confirm that your changes are saved before navigating away from the page. And there you have it, folks. A customized footer reflective of your site's vibe. These final touches can truly make a difference, helping your website leave a memorable impression on its visitors. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful.